there in a minute, but over this little car show here is Skyline Nismo. Beautiful Porsche we have here. GC3 RS. And then we have some JDMs and some more Porsche. This is MR2. In Thai money, this is $500,000 baht. And then we have next to it the Lamborghini. Beautiful Lamborghini. And then we have another Porsche convertible. And we have a Ferrari here. The number plate on this is 777, but in Thai it's Jet. And then we have some more JDMs over here that have been pumped up. And this is a rotary engine in this one. It sounds awesome. Nice color. So this is a little collection Overspill from the main event over at Terminal 21. Okay, we're at Terminal 21, but it's so busy we've come to a little coffee shop with a collection of cars. My car, little coffee shop, aircon, my friend's 350Z, Tandem, Rocket Bunny, the other beautiful, very nicely done, nice detail. Next door to the McLaren, next door to the Porsche, and then next door to the Lamborghini. I don't think red does it for them, but the little kids enjoying it. He has a slam air suspension, slams it down when he parks in. That's look impressive. And then we have some JDMs.